Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Miss Marla. I'm a program coordinator for Greenlee County Cooperative Extension, working with AZ Health Zone. I've never met a kid who doesn't like string cheese, and today's recipe uses that to make a fun snack called Mozz Totz. So grab an adult who can help you and let's make some Mozz Totz together. It's really very easy. The recipe is 12 ounces of fat-free mozzarella string cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon dried basil, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup 1% low-fat milk, 1/2 cup prepared marinara sauce that's been warmed, and a non-stick cooking spray. The utensils we'll need for this recipe are a baking sheet lined with foil, a small non-stick skillet, a heat-resistant spatula or spoon, and some kitchen shears, as well as teaspoon measuring spoons or 1/2 teaspoon, and we will also need a few measuring cups, as well as 2 bowls and a can opener if your marinara sauce is in a can. So this is really very easy. I've already done the first step. After you wash your hands, you're going to put the breadcrumbs into your non-stick skillet, as well as the herbs that it mentions, and the basil and the oregano. The crumbs I got were actually Italian style, and so we didn't even have to add those. You're going to put it over a low heat for about 5 minutes and just get them toasted good. And as you can see, these are good and brown. Just stirring every once in a while like this. So now that we've got toasted breadcrumbs, we're going to get ready for the next step. I was going to tell you, if you don't have breadcrumbs purchased at the store, you can just get some bread and either dry it out or toast it and put it in a bag and get a rolling pin and just kind of make it into crumbs yourself. That's easy enough. And for the mozzarella cheese sticks, we're going to cut those into about thirds, just enough for a bite size. So I've done most of these, and I will show you how to do the others. Just go about 1/3 of the way and another 1/3. And we're gonna drop these into the bowl of milk and make sure that they get good and wet. And then get a spoon and put them into the breadcrumbs. We're going to make sure that they're coated good and pop those onto the foil-lined cookie sheet. Eating cheese will give you lots of protein and help your calcium and just keep you going during the day. When you're through, you might enjoy this little veggies to eat, veggie sticks, or cut up kinds of crunchy vegetables to go with these. That would make a great snack combination. When you get all through with these, you're going to get your non-stick spray, and you just carefully spray it on the top of these. That's going to give it a nice crunch when it goes in the oven. And then you stick this in the oven for 350 degrees for 5 to 6 minutes until they're nice and brown and crunchy. And I'll be back with you as soon as we get those baked. Thank you. Hi, this is Marla back. We've just baked these Mozz Totz for 5 minutes in a 350 degree oven, and taking them out, it looks like most of them kept their shape. A few of them kind of melt, and all you have to do is get your fingers and help them back to the shape they were before. They'll probably taste good no matter what they look like though. So we're gonna just take some of these off of the tray and put them on our serving dish. The great thing about this is you have no cleanup. You can just take the foil out of the pan and throw it away. If you have parchment paper, that would work well too. These are smelling very delicious. I was wanting to try one before we even got them out of the oven. I can see where they get their names. They're cute little tots. And we have warmed up the marinara sauce over here and we're ready to dip in. So who wouldn't love that for a snack? Add a few vegetables and you're set to go. Thanks for watching and come back and visit us again. Have a great day.